Kuya Yusuf, we want to go up in the bridge. Ito kami sa ilalim ng bridge. Andun yung ano eh. Andun yung St. Mary Church. So, dito sa Jahili. Ayan. Yeah? So cold, right? Oh? Ano? Meron ding stairs. Ayan. Oh, let's go inside. Inside. Come on. Ding! Oh. Go inside. Come on. Wow. Then, press 1. Maganda dito. Malinis din. Ayun. Cylinder. Tapos, may camera din siya. Malinis. Yeah, Kuya Yusuf, ha? Yes. Tapos dito siya tatakbo-takbo. Oh, go! Go! Ayan, tatakbo siya. Stop! See the car? Look at the car. See, it's so fast. Yeah? Also here on the left. Here. Oh. Wow. You like it? You like it, Kuya? Huh? You like it? Oh, run. Stop. Ayun, sa footbridge. Andun yung St. Mary. Doon din kami nakapark sa may tapat. So, mahirap lang pumasok kasi Yusuf, come here. Walang entrance dito. Ayun. Yung entrance putol. Ayun. So, ayun. Let's go. Come on! Running! Click ka. Yeah, it's go down. Go inside. Go. Great job. Push. Press G. So maganda rin yung kabila. Ganun din, same. Malinis siya. Tapos may camera din. Mas maganda yung mirror niya. Yeah, Kuya Yusuf? You like it?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, let's go. Go there, go on the right. Huh? Ito na yung kalsada. Sa ilalim. Ito yung coffee shop dito na matagal na. Yes, Lola Mami is right there. Let's go. To Lola Mami. Wow. Ito, service road. Ayun yung highway. Service road to eh. Kaya lang, walang pasukan dito. Ayun o, palabas yan eh. Papuntang highway na. So, yung kapapaso, kaya lang, kakanan ka din. Bago ka makapunta dito sa St. Mary, sa may Jahili yata ito, Jahili. Or sa Naiya. Ayan. Kami ni Kuya Yusuf. Akit na naman siya sa bridge. Nag-e-enjoy siya dun sa bridge. Ginawa niyang playground yung bridge. Let's go. Bye-bye guys. Say bye-bye guys. Hi Nanay.
Hi, Nanay.
Ayabu. I'm playing here.
I'm playing here.
What you see before? You saw a? Tell to Nanay what you saw.
I saw
Wow. Let's go.